friends. I believe it will become a very small hall, but we have applied for the hall, but ultimately I came to know that this hall is given to someone VVIP are coming to the hotel anyway. So I am feeling very bad. Anyway, but we have to keep the show on. I would request all guests, I think some guests are on the way. We have to start the event on the time. It is already late for half an hour. Probably Mr. Pradeep Kumar Das, MD Weber will join us. He is not well. Mr. Manjit Nayak, Additional Director STBI, Government of India. Sri B. Hari, President SITA. And Sri V.K. Vandari, MD Supertron, he will join us little late. Sanjay Pradhan is inside. I will come Kanal Baba and Kanal Nath. So I just want to introduce a brief about War India. We are a frontline IT magazine which brings on the latest technology, including news, views, analysis by refreshing on regular basis and through online medium by connecting with the B2B community, the retailers and resellers ecosystem in the country. We will be very shortly coming out with a marketplace portal, that is partneridentity.com, for connecting the channel partners across the country for the best of breed offer and overcome the challenges that are faced from retailers. I would also take this opportunity to compliment the Indian industry houses which have shown their interest for experiencing War India through their mobile apps. We are extremely delighted for the support extended from the IT Association and the partner community to make this event happen. Thank you so very much. As digitization process is a continuous process, organizations are heavily dependent on cyber technology. With geographic boundaries being collapsed in the digital area, organizations are facing threats from the virtual world. Crimes perpetrated by cyber criminals who leverage on evolved ecosystems like the darknet. Businesses are increasingly facing impact not only on the financial front but also irreversible damages to their brands and market reputations. As a result of the growing threat, there is a significant need for corporates for recognizing cyber threats and cyber response plans. The root cause of most cyber attacks is monetary gain. We will hear some interesting facts from panel discussion, and especially we will have Mr. Sanjay Pradhan, who is among us today, speak on the topic in a much more detailed manner. Mr. Pradhan, who has travelled all the way from US to attend this event. He is an innovator and a technocrat and a real icon of India in the field of security. With the increasing adoption of cloud and mobility solutions, small and medium businesses are likely to spend rupees 1 lakh crore, about $18.5 billion on information technology by 2017 and 18. Let's talk about give a flavor to Indian SMEs. Indian SMEs today share a common need for a low cost, total cost ownership, predictability and long-term protection for the investments. Regardless of the business models of the industries they belong to or their geographic locations, SMEs are searching for solutions that will help them gain competitive advantage over an increasingly intense competition landscape. SMEs wishing to expand geographically need to support their growth ambitions with a single market solution framework that is flexible and scalable enough to adapt as the needs of the business change. Just to understand more on the SME business, this business in market is a multi-billion-dollar opportunity. Increased purchasing power and consumerization of what drives the business scenario in India. If a small and mid-sized business cannot respond quickly to changing market dynamics, they risk losing business and their very survival is at stake. Talking about today's event, we have gathered here to understand how marketing tools for wars will empower SMEs. We are felicitating the presence of Department of IT, West Bengal Government, Webull and Compass. The vendors will provide consultative methodology, key takeaways from the panel discussion and suggestions from the panelists on their value-added experience on the technology innovations to face the growing SMEs in Eastern India. I expect everyone present here to have wonderful networking with each other. Thank you.